I used to think I knew what fear was. I used to think that fear was the moment before the collision, when my heart pounded in my chest, and my hands tore at the wheel, and my eyes locked onto the terrified face of another driver shining in the glow of my headlights. I thought fear was being strapped upside down in a wreckage as blood trickled down my face. I thought fear was watching another human being beg for help as the life drained away from their body. I thought fear was the paramedics coming to me first. I thought fear was watching my doctor's mouth tell me I'd never hear again. I thought it was learning to lip read words like severe head trauma and cochlear dislocation. I thought it was feeling myself weep in complete silence. I thought fear was knowing that I was responsible. I thought it was wondering when I would be blamed for the crash I had caused. I thought it was getting away with the murder of another human being. I thought fear was living with what I had done. But I was wrong. Because fear is what happens on every anniversary of the crash. Fear is the only sound I've heard in years. Fear is knowing exactly where it comes from. I know what fear is now. Fear is waking up, irreversibly deaf, and hearing nothing but the desperate, urgent weeping of a dying driver.